In this video, I'm going to talk about using our scoreboard software on a ICE LED screen and just some of the things you need to be aware of, and especially if you're considering purchasing a scoreboard, that size is quite important relative to the viewing distance and the amount of content that you're actually going to be displaying on the screen. So this area up here is a target area of 3 meters by 2 meters high, and so when we use a P10mm pitch screen and a Players 480 model, then that size is 2.88 meters by 1.92 meters. And so that becomes important because can the audience see the scoreboard detail clearly from the other side of the sports field, and is it confusing, and are the letters large enough? So they become quite important aspects to think about. And now, so what we have to do, we have to place this area here into this area, because this is the size of our LED screen. And so you can see here that as I drag the box to resize it, it's obviously changing the size of the data that's being displayed. And so if we match it up to the width, and I'd say that's about right. Notice on the height, we're not using all of the height now, only on the width. And so literally by dragging that across to that point of the desktop, now we're actually going to be displaying that on a LED screen. So the issues to be aware of here is making sure that in actual fact your screen size is actually going to be large enough to display all the content that you want to display on your screen. Now the other thing that we are able to do is, here you can see the keyboard commands. So if you didn't want to use a keyboard to click through on here onto the admin area, you could actually use a keyboard SC home score +1 as a H key. Now we can assign those key button presses, whatever they might be. We can build a custom keyboard for you, and what you would then be touching are large touch buttons or touch areas on a board. So that allows you to minimize the clutter of the keyboard and simply have for the game just the crucial keyboards that you want to have up, and the actual buttons you're going to be pressing will be laid out in front of you. So that's a nice little feature that we're able to build as a custom product for you, and more than happy to discuss that sort of element with you. And if we were displaying this on a projector, then we would be maximizing this area here, and it would be outputting directly onto the plasma or the projector, whatever you're using, and then this area here would be being displayed on a second monitor, and again if that's on a laptop, on the laptop screen, and then on the visual output you'd be displaying it on the projector. We have software available for most of the sporting disciplines like basketball, tennis, athletics, judo and so forth, and so you're able to use the LED screens for most sports, and also use it for digital signage and sponsor branding. So I trust you found this video useful, insightful, and gave you valuable information, helping you to decide on your capital purchase of a LED screen as your scoreboard for your event, club, team and venue. Thanks for watching. Contact details at the end of the video and on the associated text. Look forward to hearing from you if you think we can be of assistance.